brains behind the mocktails that were shot at the Diwali campaign, which I really hope you guys have seen. What I'm here to do today is give you a few tips and tricks on how you can create wonderful drinks for your festivities. Starting with, my first point is going to be this wonderful floral ice. Where you can use this floral ice is to zhuzh up the presentation of your drinks of something clear like lemonade, ginger ale, etc. Gives it a nice punch of color and makes it look fabulous in the glass. The second thing I'm going to talk about is Aquafaba. Aquafaba for you vegetarians is basically the substitute for egg white. It helps you get a really nice frothy look to your drink, and it's really easy to make. All you need to do is soak chickpeas overnight, bring it to a boil, simmer for a while, and the liquid that you get from that is called Aquafaba. It's going to make your drink look fabulous, and I hope you'll do try it. The third thing I'm going to talk about now is how to salt and sugar rim your glasses. Rimming your glasses just gives it a really nice appeal. What you have to do is just dip it slightly in any sort of juice, or probably use a peel over it, and once you do that, dab it in some salt or sugar. To make it look nicer, what you can do is also give it a rim of sprinkles or maybe something like cinnamon that would go with your drink. Lastly, I'm going to talk about garnishing your drinks. It adds really great visual impact, so I hope you guys don't skip out on that. You can do some things like sprinkle a bit of cinnamon powder, add a cinnamon stick. Apart from that, you can use citrus peels like orange peels, lemon peels to add some zhuzh to the glass. You can also use your herbs like rosemary and thyme. And also don't forget to drizzle a bit of fruit segments like pomelo or oranges on the top to give it that great visual impact. Lastly, for you guys who want to spike your drink a little bit, they also go with the spirit of your choice. For those of you who want to recreate any of these drinks, we will be posting the recipes online on Instagram, so please do check it out. Everything I've used here is from Westside Home, so I do hope you guys visit your nearest Westside store or shop online and get this wonderful collection to make your festivities look much, much, much better.